Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is anoushadn and today I'm so excited. We're going to talk about the dupe for the Tarte Tape Shape Concealer. Yes, about the Revolution one. So, you know what? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So I saw this when this launched. Oh my god, I get so excited because you know this is only like €5 and this one is so expensive. It's for I think €21. So for the Tarte Tape Shape I have two colors. I got the color 10 Cent and I got the color Deep. 10 Cent is way too light for me and the Deep one is like my skin tone, just a little darker. So you know, if I combine these two, it's perfect. So for the Revolution one I got the color C12 and C30. In this one you get 3.4 milliliters and in this one you get 10 milliliters. Still, if you got two of these you are only like €8. So this one will be still cheaper than this one. I am already wearing the concealer, so before I show you applying this concealer, which side will be the Revolution one and which side will be the Tarte one, let me know down in the comments. And don't cheat, don't move forward, let me know and see if you're right. Let me do some swatches, compares. For a reference, if you have like the same skin color, I am NC45. So then for Tarte, this is 10 cents. The one over here. Sorry, I'm so horrible at swatching. Like, I shouldn't even do this. Just want to show you guys. So 10 cents. And then this is the color Deep. This is the color Deep. Oh my god. Now for the Revolution one. This is the color C12. And this is the color C13. But like you can see, C12 from a Revolution one is just a little darker than this one. Also, once this one is dried down, the Revolution one, it will be like darker than it shows the swatch. I will let it dry and then you can see the comparison. Also, the wand is just crazy. It's just the same on the Tarte Shape Tape one. Let me show you. So this is the Tarte Shape Tape and this is the Revolution one. Like, it's just the same, only smaller. So I am completely agreeing that this is a dupe. Like, really. So let's just get started for the application and let's see if you are right which side is which. The Revolution one dries up darker. I'm going to apply the color C12 on this side. On this side I'm going to apply the Tarte Tape Shape and I'm going to mix the color 10 Cents and the color Deep because these two colors are the one is too light and the one is too dark. So I also got two Real Technique sponges because I want to do a fair test. So I'm just going to take one and blend this out. Now taking the other sponge. So I'm done with my face now, and do you see like any different? Wait, let me zoom it in, close up. So this is one side, this is the other one. So guys, what do you think? I think it looked like the same. The only thing I love for my skin color, I don't have like to get mixed two shades with the Revolution one. It's only €5, like really for a concealer, and it's so good. Also for the day, it's amazing. I already tested. I think it's really the same. I think you can really tell a difference. I think this is the best dupe ever. And also in Netherlands you can't get the Tarte tape shape, so I always have to buy it online. And Revolution I can get everywhere. I will also leave some links down below if you live in the Netherlands where you can buy the Revolution one. But I would say this is a great dupe. Get it when you still can. And I heard in March they're going to launch more shades. So that is great news. Like really great news. I think they already have like a good range. But I think it will be great that they have a more. This completes this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If so, please give it some thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Sing with me. Hit the subscribe button, hit that subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, and let me know what you want to see next. Bye bye. See you next Wednesday.